This week is all about a gain deal.
Shut up and sit down.
Hi everybody, and thanks for tuning back in to Financial Phoenix. I am Alexis, in case you're new here. We are all about saving money, making money, and dreaming big. And today I have 3 awesome deals for Dollar General 5 off of 25 deals this coming Saturday, June 20th. So you're not going to want to miss this. I know we just had a clearance sale and you might be feeling a little bit of coupon fatigue maybe, but the deals this week are going to be epic. There are a lot of different versions, so don't just look at mine. Check out everybody's. Try and make your own. Mix and match coupons. Play around. That's part of what's fun about couponing, is all the different options that are available. There's a lot of good deals to be had out there this week. So today I'm going to share 3 with you that are going to be really, really good, and I'm excited. One is all digital, so no paper coupons required, and it's good for cat lovers. If you've got a cat or you love cats, you want to donate to a shelter or something, there's some good cat food, I think it's food, to be had with that one. So stick around for that. We also have a super low out-of-pocket, like less than $6, on our other deal. So I'm excited about that one. And then the gain deal this week, you guys are all about gain. I'm not sure why. I mean, gain's okay. It's fine, but you guys have always been like super excited about gain deals. So I'm really excited to share that one with you this week because we have some great savings on it. Might be the best gain deal I've ever done. I don't know. We'll have to see. You guys can judge for yourself. So we'll save that one till last. But anyway, stick around because we have all that coming up. 2 quick things. First, there is a CVS deal video coming this week, and I'm going to try and get some toilet paper for cheap. So we'll see how that goes. I'll fill you in later. I was going to do that one today, but we ended up getting a flat tire while we were out today, and that was a bummer. That kind of ruined our plans. So I did not get to film at CVS today, but we will try that. And then also I wanted to let you guys know that I am moving my stockpile from downstairs in the basement to upstairs. It's going to be a little bit of a process. I'm going to try and document it for you guys so you can see, but it's more work than I thought, for sure. We have to move the pegboard off the wall and everything, but I think it'll be worth it when it's done. It'll definitely have some ambiance in here. Now you guys will be able to see some of the stockpile when I film, so be looking for some updates on that on our Facebook page and our Instagram. If you don't follow us on Instagram, we are at financial_Phoenix, so you can just find us that way. I think that's it. Oh, we did pay the kids. We paid the kids in quarters to move items up from the stockpile to the office, which is why it looks like this now. So anywho, that's beside the point. Let's go ahead and get into these 3 awesome deals. I'm so excited. I was actually in the store this time for the first time since this all started, so that was a little scary, kind of exciting. So we went in store, got some good deals. Let's take a look.
Okay, this first transaction is all digital. You're going to start by picking up one of the Bic Soleil razor packages. You want the $3.30 pack. It's got 3 razors in it. And you're going to use this digital $3 off coupon, making this item just 30 cents. Next, you're going to pick up one of the Flintstones vitamins. These are the gummy vitamins. They are $6.25. We're going to use a $3 off. It's a printable coupon, so technically paper, but we're going to use that from coupons.com, making that item just $3.25. Next, we're going to pick up 3 of the Friskies Lil Grillers, which are wet cat food. You can find these actually in the dollar aisle, not in the pet aisle. They are $1 a piece, obviously, and they're so $3 for 3 of them. And we have this buy 2 get 1 free digital coupon. So that's just going to work out to $2 for 3. Last but not least, we're going to do the same thing with the dry cat food. We're going to pick up 3 bags of the Friskies dry cat food. Now this is a lot, but we're going to really get some savings here. These bags are $4.50 a piece. So for 3 bags, we're looking at a total of $13.50. And we have a buy 2 get 1 free coupon So that last one for $4.50 is going to be free. As always, make sure you're scanning in store with your Dollar General app to make sure that the correct coupon is matching up with the item that you want to buy. Your subtotal for this first transaction is going to be $26.05. So we're just right over that 5 off of 25 mark. You also want to make sure you have your $5 off of 25 clipped. This is a digital coupon that shows up in your account each week at Dollar General, and it's good for shopping the following Saturday. So on Saturdays, we take that extra $5 off the top. So go ahead and clip that as well. You're going to head to the register with your subtotal at $26.05. You don't really need to worry too much about your order of your transaction. For this one, I would just make sure that you are getting your items scanned, putting in your phone number so your digitals come off, and hand over that Flintstones vitamins printable coupon at the very last just to make sure it doesn't come off first. And your out-of-pocket cost for this transaction is going to be $9.55 after all your coupons and your 5 off of 25 have come off. And that's plus tax, by the way. And for 8 items, that's about $1.51 per item. We'll go ahead and take a look at this second deal here. This second deal is only going to require 1 paper coupon. We're going to be using a combination of a store coupon and a manufacturer's coupon. So I would rate this deal a little bit more complicated than my typical deal. I still think it'll be doable for you either way. Just take it slow, and if it feels out of your comfort zone, just don't do it. Do something else. So we're going to start by picking up the Degree Dry Spray. This is the women's or the men's, it doesn't matter. And these are $5 a piece. We're going to go ahead and use this digital coupon. Now this is a manufacturer's coupon for $1.25. And we're also going to stack on top of that a $1 off coupon. This is a Dollar General store coupon, so we can use those together because one is manufacturer, and as you can see, one is a store coupon. So I know that might be a little confusing, but both of those should come off of this Degree Dry Spray, as you can see here where I scanned it with the Dollar General app. Next, you're going to want to pick up 2 of the Shea Moisture shampoo or conditioner. I had a hard time finding these in store today. I only found these 2 in the clearance aisle. If you're able to find them, they should be $6.95 a piece. You're going to want to use the $6 off of 2 paper coupon. This is from one of our last inserts. I can't remember. It's either the Retail Me Not or the Smart Source from a couple weeks back. That's the one you're looking for. You're going to take that off, and we're also going to stack a store coupon for $3 off of 10 on top of this as well. So again, we're stacking that manufacturer's paper coupon with the store coupon for $3 off of 10 when you spend $10 on Shea Moisture or one of these other products. So I know that can be a little confusing, but that's really going to save us a lot of money. That's $9 off right there. So yeah, that's good savings. Next, we're going to pick up 1 of the packages of Bic razors. There are 12 in a pack. It's these orange razors here. You're going to pick those up for $2.85, and you're going to use the $2 off digital coupon in your account to make that just 85 cents. So you can see we're getting a lot of savings here. And last but not least, you're going to pick up 1 of the Old Spice body wash. These are $4.50, and you're going to use the $1 off digital coupon. And you're also going to get a $1.25 rebate back from Ibotta. Now you'll pay that $1.25 at the register, but when you scan your receipt after purchasing, you'll go ahead and get that $1.25 back from Ibotta for purchasing that item. Okay, so for the order of this transaction, I would make sure that you have your items scanned and put in your phone number for any digitals that you want taken off. Go ahead and once you've done that, you can hand over your paper coupon for the Shea Moisture. That should take that extra $6 off. And also, again, remember to have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. You want that on there as well. By the way, if you need any assistance with this, if you're new to couponing, we always have a link in our description box for our newbie playlist, people who are beginner to couponing, go through the basics of couponing at Dollar General and how to do your transactions and all that good stuff. So that's down there below for you. Our subtotal for this second transaction comes to $26.25. And after all our coupons and our 5 off of 25 come off, we're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $5.75, which is crazy ridiculous. You know, those Degree Dry Sprays are so expensive. The Shea Moisture is so expensive. So we've got, you know, some really good items going on there. So just $5.75 plus tax can't be beat. You're also going to want to submit your receipt to Fetch, the rewards app Fetch. If you don't have Fetch, you can download it, using our code, which is in the description box down below. There are, I think, 1,000 points back this week for the Degree Dry Spray. So that's another $1 off that you could take off of this transaction. And guys, I don't know if you've seen any of the new stuff that Dollar General's been putting out, but they have got some really cute decor stuff going out right now. Just, I'm loving some of this. Some of this really needs to go in my office. Okay, so for our last deal, we're going to do a gain transaction. And it's been a while since we've done one of these. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Let's just go ahead and get into it. No waiting. So we're going to start by picking up one of the Gain Flings, and you're looking for the 51 count. This is the big tub, and we love getting those. Just love it. We're going to pick up one of those for $13.95, and one of the Gain 10-ounce fireworks. Has to be those two, $13.95 and then $6.95 for the fireworks, because we're going to use this digital coupon in our account for $4 off when you purchase both of those products. So it's a big spend, but you're also getting that $4, which is kind of a high value coupon. Okay, next we're going to pick up one of the Gain Fireworks 5.7 ounces, and we're going to use, hopefully you got this DG exclusive coupon in your account. It's $2 off of one of the Gain Fireworks and $2 off of the Gain Fireworks 3.95 versions is a really nice high value coupon, making it just $1.95. So go ahead and pick that up. Use that $2 digital coupon there on that. Then you're going to go ahead and pick up one of the Gain fabric softeners. This is the 41 ounce. You want to make sure you're using this $2 off digital coupon on that, making it just $1.95. Next, pick up one of the Gain fabric softeners, but these are the little baby ones that you find in the dollar aisle. And the reason is we also have this other fabric softener Gain coupon that we can use here, making it absolutely free. We have $1 off, and this is $1. It does work on this item. I scanned it in store, so go ahead and pick that up. And last but not least, you're going to want to pick up one of the Gain sheets, fabric softener sheets. You're looking for the 15 count. Again, this is in the dollar aisle. This is just to get us over that $30 threshold, which is what we need to hit. So go ahead and pick that up, and that's going to be your last item. So to recap, we've got the Gain Flings 51 count, the Gain Fireworks 10 ounces, the Gain Fireworks 5.7 ounces, the Gain Fabric Softener 41 ounce, one of the Gain Fabric Softener babies, and one of the Gain Sheets 15 count. So that should be everything that you need, and have all those digital coupons clipped. You want to make sure that you have your 5 off of 25 clipped, as well as your $5 off of any $30 Gain scented purchase. And you really want to make sure you've got both of those clipped. That's how we're going to get $10 off the top of this transaction. Now keep in mind, I have heard horror stories about Gain deals not working for whatever reason. Sometimes, like the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25 not stacking for whatever reason. There's no reason that they shouldn't. It's, I don't know why that happens sometimes, but just know that if you attempt to do this deal, there's always a possibility that it won't work for whatever reason. Dollar General is really finicky about stuff. But there's no reason why it shouldn't. So go ahead and work that deal out. you're looking at a subtotal of $30.80. And after all your coupons and your 5 off of 25 and your 5 off of 30 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $11.80 plus tax. So a little bit over 10 bucks, and you've got the big gain flings, you've got fabric softener, you've got fireworks, you've got sheets, just all kinds of gain, which we love. We love gain. So all right, that's a wrap on the gain deal. Hopefully you guys like that. Let me know in the comments if you're really excited to do this deal this weekend. If you didn't get some of these DG Digital exclusive coupons, I know that I didn't get them on my account. I'm actually using David's account to get these. You can always start an account in your partner's name if that's going to work. Or, you could swap out if you have a paper coupon or something like that. I know there's also the Gain dish soap coupon revolving around right now as well. You could swap that in for something if you need to. So just play around with it and just do whatever works for you.
Don't forget, a printable list of these deals will be available in the description box down below. Also, I want to let you guys know that we have pretty much finished our update and we are now officially at our new website location, financialphoenixcouponing.com. And I'm really excited for you guys to check it out. It is a work in progress for sure, but it is a lot better than our old website, and I think you guys are really going to like it. So definitely go check it out. Leave us a comment. We would really appreciate it. Sign up for the newsletter. We're going to do a newsletter every month to let you guys know what the best deals are and what, is coming up. So I'm really excited to share this experience with you guys. We're continuing to grow, and it's all thanks to you. So that said, thank you for checking out this video. And as always, remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, everybody.
Shut up and sit down.